So to make this typography trick in Canva, I will go to Canva main page, and here I will go to Canva AI, and after that I will click on create an image, and style I will select as portrait, and the canvas size I will select as 1:1. Okay, and here I will write close up portrait of two hummingbirds spreading their wings in a jungle background. Make sure it is a bright sunny day, and click on enter. And as you can see, I really like the third image, and you can just download it using the download icon. And let's move to the design part. So now I will go to home here, and now I will click on Instagram post, and now I will go to text here, click on add a heading and write hover, and change the font to Anton. Click on it, make it bigger, keep it like this. Okay, now bring the image you just downloaded from Canva. So this is the downloaded image. Now I will just click on this text, right click it, click on layer, send to back, and now I'll use this image and just make it bigger according to the canvas and adjust it accordingly. So to adjust it, I will just decrease the transparency, and I want to keep it this way. So I will just place it right here, and I will just press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard to cut the image. Click on add page and paste on the next page. And after that, increase the transparency and go to share, go to download, and make sure you are downloading both the images as PNG, and no other settings are required to do that, and just click on download. So before starting, I would like to share with you that now you can support me by coming to this web page of buy me a coffee, and you can just support me with just rupees 180 or $2, and this will be a one-time fee. And if you want to support more, you can just increase the number of coffees, and please support me in my journey, and so that I can bring you more and more new tutorials in a unique way. So let's get back to the tutorial. Now go to add page and just upload both the images which you just created, and just move both the layers differently. And after that, go to apps, click on blend here, and just use the first tab. For the bottom layer, I will select this text layer, and for the top layer I will select this image, and make sure the blend mode is in screen, because if I try other modes it will not work, as you can see in here. So the best is this screen. Okay, and after that click on add page and click on add to design. Okay, and just cover the full size of the canvas. Okay, just crop it and bring this image again here and cover it again with the canvas. Now click on BG remover. So as you can see, the image is aligned, but the flower part is not getting erased. So to remove that, you will click again on BG remover to activate this erase tool, and just zoom in to work in here, and make sure the brush size is very low 3 or 4 will be better. So after that, just zoom in and start working. Make sure you cover this part first. Now increase the brush size. And your work is done. Now click on this cross and this is removed, and after that just right click on this, click on layer, send backward. Okay, and in this text layer click on BG remover to remove the white background. Okay, so this is removed. Now I will click on edit, scroll down to find shadows and click on outline. Make sure the size is 8 and the color is white and intensity will be 100, and your effect is done. Now to highlight this effect, I will just click on this image again, just crop it, and after that I will scroll down to change the color to this, and after that I will scroll up to make the blue much lighter. Okay, and like that, and after that I will click on Ctrl plus A in the keyboard and move it slightly down, and here I will scroll up to find the text layer. Okay, and click on add heading, and here I will write let's, and just bring it right here and make it slightly bigger and keep it like this, so the word looks like less sober. So this is the tutorial, and this is a very easy one to follow. So hope you like this tutorial, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more unique tutorials like this. Thank you.